Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. With the colder months upon us, it's the perfect time to learn about the amazing medicinal plants that can keep us healthy and thriving. In this video, we'll look at 4 must-have medicinal plants for the fall and winter seasons. I'll explain how to care for each plant, its nutritional value, health benefits, and exactly how it works in our body. So, grab a warm drink and stay tuned for some amazing plant magic. Dear friends, a simple request. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one. Alright, let's get started. Plant 1. Echinacea. What is Echinacea? Echinacea is known as the purple coneflower, with striking pink-purple petals. This plant is popular in herbal remedies and is known for its immune-boosting powers, making it perfect for fighting off colds and flu. How to care for Echinacea. Echinacea is incredibly low maintenance. Just plant it in a spot that gets sunlight and water it sparingly. It can even handle frost, so it's perfect for colder months. Nutritional value of Echinacea. Echinacea is rich in antioxidants and has natural chemicals called phenols, which help protect cells from damage and strengthen the body's immune response. Health benefits of Echinacea. Immune system boost. Echinacea helps the body fight off infections by increasing white blood cells. Reduces inflammation. Echinacea's compounds can reduce swelling and pain. Fights cold symptoms. It helps shorten the duration of colds and flu. How Echinacea works in the body. Echinacea stimulates the immune system by increasing white blood cells. It helps reduce inflammation, which is the body's natural response to infection. So, whether you're fighting off a sore throat or a common cold, Echinacea works behind the scenes to keep you feeling better, faster. Plant 2. Elderberry. What is elderberry? Elderberries are tiny, dark purple berries from the elder plant. They've been used for centuries in traditional medicine, especially for respiratory health. How to care for elderberry? Elderberry bushes prefer a bit of shade and need regular watering, especially during dry spells. If you care for it right, you'll have a wonderful supply of berries to harvest in late fall. Nutritional value of elderberry. Elderberries are rich in vitamins A and C, powerful antioxidants, and essential nutrients like fiber and iron. Health benefits of elderberry. Boosts immune system. Elderberry is known for helping prevent and reduce cold and flu symptoms. Supports heart health. Its antioxidants help reduce cholesterol. Fights inflammation. Elderberry's antioxidants help combat inflammation. How elderberry works in the body. When we consume elderberry, its antioxidants enter our bloodstream and fight off harmful substances that cause inflammation. Elderberry also triggers the immune system to produce cytokines, which help fight infections. It's an all-natural way to keep your immune system strong, especially in colder months. Plant 3. Sage. What is sage? Sage is a fragrant herb commonly used in cooking and herbal medicine. It's known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a perfect addition for wellness in fall and winter. How to care for sage. Sage is a hardy plant that thrives in well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. During the colder months, you may want to bring it indoors if the weather gets too harsh. Nutritional value of sage. Sage is packed with vitamin K, calcium, iron, and antioxidants. It also contains compounds like rosmarinic acid, which helps reduce inflammation. Health benefits of sage. Improves memory and brain health. Sage has compounds that support cognitive function. Soothes sore throats and coughs. It's commonly used as a remedy for throat pain. Aids digestion. Sage supports the digestive system and relieves bloating. How sage works in the body. Sage's compounds protect our cells and reduce inflammation. Its antibacterial properties help soothe sore throats and kill germs. Sage's antioxidants also help protect the brain, keeping you sharp and focused even during colder months. Plant 4. Thyme. What is thyme? Thyme is a small, fragrant herb often used in cooking, but it's also valued in herbal medicine for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. With its warm, earthy aroma, thyme is a great addition to natural remedies for respiratory health, especially in colder months when coughs and colds are common. How to care for thyme? Thyme is hardy and easy to grow. It thrives in full sunlight and well-drained soil and needs only moderate watering. It's quite resilient to cold, but can be brought indoors during severe winter weather. Nutritional value of thyme. Thyme is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, and manganese, as well as antioxidants like thymol and carvacrol, which are natural compounds that protect cells from damage. Health benefits of thyme. Supports respiratory health. Thyme is effective for clearing congestion, easing coughs, and relieving sore throats. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Thyme's compounds help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. Boosts immunity. Its high vitamin C content strengthens the immune system, helping the body defend itself against illness. How thyme works in the body. Thyme's essential oils help open up airways, making it easier to breathe when you're congested. Thymol, one of thyme's key compounds, works as an antiseptic to kill bacteria, making thyme a natural way to treat infections. Drinking thyme tea or inhaling its steam can provide quick relief from respiratory issues, making it a must-have during flu season. So, there you have it. 4 amazing medicinal plants, Echinacea, Elderberry, sage, and thyme, that are easy to care for and can help boost your health in the fall and winter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.